In 2017, on a cold winter evening in downtown Chicago, a man named Greg Walters stood outside a gas station. He wasn't asking for money. He was holding a cardboard sign that simply read, "We'll work for dog food." Pause. People passed by, glancing briefly before moving on. Some smiled, most didn't. But one woman, named Claire, stopped. She asked, "Who's the food for?" Greg pointed behind him. Curled up beside an old backpack was a small brown dog, shivering but loyal. His name was Max. Backstory. Greg wasn't always homeless. Just 5 years earlier, he had a job, a home, and a fiancée. But life changed quickly. A car accident took his ability to work. Medical bills wiped out his savings, and his fiancée left when things got hard. He lost everything except Max. Turning point. Greg said, "I didn't want to live for myself anymore. I lived for him. He needed me." Each day he walked blocks looking for odd jobs, picking trash, cleaning windows, doing whatever he could, not for money, but for Max's food. Claire listened. She didn't walk away. Instead, she posted a photo of Greg and Max on Facebook, along with his story. And that changed everything. Going viral, within 24 hours, the post was shared 20,000 times. People from all over the country offered help. Someone paid for a motel room. Another donated a job interview suit. A local shelter helped with Max's veterinary care. And then a small landscaping company saw the post and offered Greg a part-time job. Rebuilding. It wasn't much, but for Greg it was everything. He started saving. He got clean. Eventually, he found a room to rent. Then came a full-time position. Max? He got a new bed, toys, and more food than he ever imagined. Giving back. Today, Greg runs a small nonprofit. It's called Max's Mission. They provide dog food, blankets, and vet support for homeless people who own dogs. Greg says, "When you help someone keep the only soul who hasn't left them, you're giving more than food. You're giving hope." Ending message. This isn't just a story about a homeless man and a dog. It's a story about second chances, about kindness from strangers, and about the loyalty of a little dog named Max, who never gave up on the man who had lost everything. Greg thought he saved Max, but it turns out Max saved him.